Hey guys, welcome to Deals with Amazon. Are you looking for the best Magic Bullet blender? I found some Magic Bullet blender for you. Number 1 Ordora Magic Bullet Mini. Isn't it adorable? Don't let the cuteness fool you. Though this tiny blender is one powerful partner in the kitchen. From whipped cream to salsa, smoothies to sauces, the Magic Bullet Mini gives you mega options when it comes to blending, whipping, chopping, and grinding. Plus, its diminutive profile is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, trailers, and other cozy spaces. Number 2 Magic Bullet Blender. About this item included 1 250W motor base, 1 crossblade, 1 tall cup, 1 short cup, 1 party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, 1 to-go lid, and 10-second recipe guide. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic, effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and commenting below. Check out the description for find